Welcome to the D&Q experience. Thank you guys for joining us today. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a room tour. So I'm sure that's why you clicked on this. So if you are coming to Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida, Tampa Bay area, we are staying at a hotel called Hampton. And I'll put the name on the screen. I don't remember. I didn't book it. I'm just here. But just gonna give you guys a quick room tour of the room. It's pretty nice. And it's right across the street from Busch Gardens. Like literally you can walk to Busch Gardens. You don't have to pay parking. So here we go. Right behind me is the door. And then as soon as you come in, to your right is a bathroom. Very, very spacious. The toilet is nice. There's the tub. The sink. The husband.
Nice.
All the towels.
It's 4 a.m. in the morning.
It's 4 a.m. I didn't mention that. You come out the bathroom, this is a full-length mirror. Don't mind my outfit on his toes. The door slides to the right, but I'm not strong enough. Okay, there we go. Look at God. Oh, it's a closet. Okay, here's a
bathroom
closet.
door and closet.
Yep. Got an ironing board. You got an iron. Look at that. I guess extra blankets. And then coming in, there's 2 beds. One with nobody.
Don't mind the kids.
And then 2 free kids. Kidding. The kids don't come with the room. Say hi.
Hi. Yeah.
Okay, in case you want to show you the TV. It's nice size TV. Under here is a fridge.
Is it? No.
Yes, it's cold. Microwave. And then over here is some racks. I don't know if this is just drawers or what.
Nothing in the mini fridge. Good.
A nice sitting area that I won't be using because we're not going to be in the room that long. Nice chair. And then the air conditioner is over here. Just a tip for you. The air conditioner is here. However, these do not work. The actual controls are on the wall over there. Yes, I did try to do the controls back there and I was having a hard time. A nice little, I guess, table here. The outlets are here. Awesome. Awesome. And then you have USBs and actual outlets. Oh, and then over here as well, there's some outlets and USBs. Come back to the door area, and this is a sitting area, I guess. It's 2 seats. Oh, I'm sitting down on it. Go pee, KJ. Another sitting area with a nice little coffee maker that we're not going to use, and the baby's going to pee. Alright guys, so that's our room tour. If you guys are, like I said, coming to Busch Gardens in Tampa, you're looking for a hotel, this one is right across the street, walking distance. So it's closer to the entrance side of Busch Gardens, so it is walking distance. And you guys don't have to pay for parking. They don't have a shuttle to the beach. They don't have a shuttle to Busch Gardens because they are so close. I think the hotel is affordable, like I said. We didn't pay. We were treated to this room. Thank you.
Thanks, Jermaine.
Thank you, Jermaine. So we're gonna sleep now because it's 4 a.m. in the morning and we are going to Busch Gardens in the morning. See you guys tomorrow. Be there or be square. Okay, square here. Square here. You get the point. Good night, guys.